What channel? I see channel 18. Okay, so ahora simple lang iba. Kung sa ipangayo kay purusasan di man niyo, kung sa ipangayo sa question, maway hatag answer. Ayaw pakapini. No more one kanang decoration ng mga istorya, okay? Alright, so number 3.
Number 3, sir.
3, people.
Number 3.
Mistake and correction. For example, approaching ka rin sa Perwi, kaya Perwi na siya, ngayon na siya Perwi. Kung dagat ka rin, ngayon siya o Perwi, agyanan sa barko, cross, may padong sa pabor, may padong sa islibor. So it is Perwi. Kung nayuta ko na, it is called highway. Dito kaya, yung dagat man, it is called Perwi. Kung yuta, dagat, Perwi. Simple that people, it's a Perwi. Now, use the marker, mistake and correction. Ito yung mga tawag, ito. Mundigo. Mistake and correction. Sige. Wrong. Kung ang imong dapat istorya ni is BTS or port control. So, nari approaching ka sa port. For example, approaching sa port control of Cebu. Cebu port control. This is Imbi Mundigo. Go Mundigo.
This is Imbi Mundigo.
Port control. Cebu port control. Okay, go.
Cebu port control.
Yes.
State of pilot station is at 1130 hours 30 mistake. Correction at 1230 hours 50.
Okay. Kung na ito kamaya, sakto siya pero sayo, sakto nga sayo. Ingon na ni pag-quality board. Di ba Cebu ka? Puting ka sa Cebu, kita sa Manila, padong ka sa Cebu. So, Cebu Port Control. This is Imbi Sumanino. May ini to Pier 1, to pilot station, Pier 1 is this is it, people. 1130 hours. Local time, not LD. Lieutenant ng LD. Local time. And mistake. Ibasahin niyo ang word mistake. May ETA to pilot session of Pier 2 Cebu is 1130 hours. Local time. Mistake. Correction at 1230 hours. Local time. Over. Alright. There you go. See the magic word. Kuha. Let's question number
4. Ay, number 4.
Right. Okay na?
Number 4, sir.
Number 4. Kasi matulog ka sa number 4. Number 4.
Ano po?
Keep the latitude and longitude using ECP. Mauni ang pangutana niya. Using ECP. Latitude and longitude, kita mo yung pangutana. Ikaw. Your name is?
Kanyete, sir.
Kanyete. Go.
Juan, sir. Sa MB Kanyete. Sir. MB Kanyete.
Yeah.
Latitude 07 degrees.
Okay, pangutana ko. This is British Submarino. MB Kanyete, what is your position? Over.
Sir. MB Kanyete, position latitude 07 degrees. 07.5. Ay 0.7 decimal point 5 minutes, and the longitude is 0.12 degrees 20 decimal 2 minutes west. Over.
Okay. Sayo people. Latitude 07 degrees 07. It should be 3 decimal, but minutes kani it should be 3. Palangitan duha kani himuwag sa tulo. Utangi og yun og 0. Palangitan 07 po whole number. Utangi og 0. Aron sa makaro 07 decimal
50.
minutes. North longitude 012 degrees 20 decimal 2 minutes west. Magic word. Over.
Over.
Alright. Kuha. Division number 4. Okay na? Okay na, alright. Alright. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. According to police report, use MCP when giving dito iputala manani mundigo pilapil go pilapil number nakatatay Green yellow ba pagkakapon why pagkakapon use MCP when giving position related to qualified. No, there are two ways to give a position. Una, by coordinates. Ikadua, by range and bearing. In this case, ang iyang ibangayan gatag is range and bearing. Ang lugar is big hit. Okay, go. My present, not current, for recent. Okay, go again. This is the PK Sumanimo in Pipilabil. What is your position? Over.
Position bearing 137 degrees from Big Head Lighthouse. Distance 2.4 nautical miles.
Again.
The same way position bearing 137 degrees from Big Head Lighthouse. Distance 2.4 nautical miles.
137, di ba? 137 degrees by 2 decimal 4 minute nautical miles of Kasi nga, big hit lighthouse again. Again.
Pilapis.
Again. Yes. Tapos, ayaw to siya. Go.
If you pilapis, your position bearing
Your position. My position.
Simple pilapis, my position bearing is 137 degrees from Big Head Lighthouse. Distance 2.4 nautical miles.
Bearing. Again. Bearing. 137 degrees by 2.4 nautical miles of Big Head Lighthouse. Over. Okay? By, basta it's kami, by, range and bearing, basta range and bearing, by, okay? From, ang word, ayaw na kayo mo ka, nito sa from of to, buti pa sa mga sa from, ikan sa, Monya, Big House, ikan sa Big House, kanto sa, nako, nabarko, ayang distance sa ito, pero ikan nako, matro, muna ito, from, to, what?
Sir, jawab mag-report balik, sir.
Again, this is the way. My position is, there are two ways to give your position. Una, coordinates. Ikadua, range and bearing. So, ang ito ngayon is range and bearing, di ba? So, this is the way. My present position is 137 degrees by 2.4 nautical miles from Big Head Lighthouse or
Sir, from
yes, Ilayon, Pili ka digit, Lagyan ka, yes.
Big Head Lighthouse.
Yes, kung saan yan, kung saan yung mga yung lighthouse. Okay? Okay na rin, number 5. Number 5. Number 6, people. Number 6.
Power off.
May, should, and could should not be used while they are all conditional. Mga conditional na siya. For example, isang ka sa diri sa Kakurahi, angin ka musod ka sa Fairway, di ba ang Fairway o sa highway? Now, kung saan mo, me I enter the Fairway. Wrong, why? Ang me is conditional gani. Kung saan pag mo, gamit ka ang marker. Question. Do I have permission to enter the fairway? Over. Sa motor kayo. Again? Question. Do I have permission to enter the fairway? Over. Okay, that's number 6. Number 7.
Ito na ba number 7 na sir? Ataya.
Ask the name of the vessel. Aldapita. Kasoso. Huwag ka mag-informe ha. Hindi ka na mo mag-informe.
Ambes.
Now I continue next. Ha? Kambis. Use spreadsheet. Hindi current ka. Imong button is use this MCP when ask the name of the vessel and call sign. What will you do? Ang imong reportan si Port Control.
This is MJ Courage MMSI 2571250003. Call sign LKA B Alema
Kalbo. Alpha.
Alpha Bravo 03.
Okay, pwede people. Kumpleto niya. Nasa i-message number, napag-ising call sign. Why not? Ano, kung sa'yo ang ipangayo, call sign lang, pero why not? Ang i-message number is part of your name. But the name sa bato. Roger?
Roger.
Questions? Okay na? Number 8. Number 8. Number 8.
Mayday.
Use it, kita dili. Kita.
Ito Mayday gani.
Okay. Tara, kita na.
Mayday. Facebook.
Kita na. Okay. Kita yung tao. Kare. Ha? Luminas, Luminas, go. Gamita ang triple. Mayday. Use in the phrase Mayday. Because it's triple. Go. Padol ka rin. Okay.
Mayday. This is
Hoy, katulo. Tulo.
Yan again.
Mayday. This is
Hoy, duhar lagi.
Ano ba? Alam kita. Yeah.
Mayday.
Tulo bay.
Okay.
MB Alliance.
Okay, go.
Ay sablay. Ito na kasi ba?
Ayo to. Minaw lang diri.
This is
Sige pangayo, people. Sige pangayo. Pagani, onya nagtanong ko.
Sir,
Again.
Mayday.
Okay.
Hindi na mo bro, kailangan call sign. Kailangan.
Okay. In position.
latitude 01 degrees 07 decimal 5 minutes north. Longitude 0 degrees
No, wrong.
012
Yeah.
20
20
Okay.
decimal 2 minutes west.
Into the position. Okay. Assistant required.
I need assistance.
Immediate. Easy.
There are 2-0
Okay. Nothing to look at. Scroll board. How many?
2-0.
Okay. Okay. Again. Kita mo tuloy-tulo. Ikaw ba? Tuloy.
Kita mo nagsabasaba na mo. Anong yato yung...
MMSI 257125001 call sign 5 Kilo Alpha Bravo 01 position latitude 07 degrees 07 decimal 5 minutes north longitude 012 degrees 20 decimal 2 minutes west. We are sinking
Okay.
and we require immediate assistance.
Okay.
There are 20 persons on board.
Okay. Good job. The magic word. Magic word.
Over.
Number 9. Number 9. There are 10 questions people. There are 10 questions. Number 9. Panpan. May bukan ko ni Panpan. Ikaw na. Panpan. Yes.
Mana sir?
Ikaw.
Mana sir?
Wapa ka.
Mana sir oy?
Tosel, go.
Sir, nangatras rin.
Tosel.
Uy, nangatras.
Sir, nagkalayo na kayo mga lingkuranan.
Again, use ECCD with bad cutting or disease. Okay, go.
MSS I 2.7.
Chill bro. Chill bro.
Okay.
Oh, ini ko so. Naka-exam ito. Ha? Ano 5 extra? Ano? Mana ni doy?
Okay.